Across the U.S., residential property sizes are getting smaller. The Upstate is no exception. It's hard to have any privacy when you can watch your neighbor's TV right through your own window. The small lot trend has given rise to a simple solution: the privacy fence. You don't need to move to the country or spend tens of thousands to get a little privacy. Our privacy fence installation services provide the benefits you crave at an affordable price. Why a privacy fence? In addition to protecting privacy, wood fences add security to your property. They act as a deterrent for thieves, making it more difficult to access your property. A privacy fence is also great if you have pets. It's harder for dogs to escape privacy fence than other types of fencing. The visual barrier can also deter excessive barking issues. Getting started. Ready to get started with privacy fencing for your home? Surface Bella makes the process easy. Reach out for a free, no obligation estimate. Once the estimate is accepted, we'll get you on our schedule and our team will be there to install it on time and as promised. A professional installation is important for getting level, secure fencing that will stand the test of time. We use quality materials, have the right tools, and know all the tricks of the trade to ensure you are happy with your privacy fence installation. Once we're done, you can sit back, relax, and enjoy your newfound privacy. Quality and pricing. The team at Surface Bella, headquartered in Greenville, South Carolina, and serving the Upstate and parts of North Carolina, has the experience and expertise to build you the privacy fence of your dreams, all at a price you can afford. Our qualified contracting specialists focus on the most common home renovations that provide a great return on investment for homeowners. We also build decks, replace windows, update bathrooms and kitchens, install walk-in tubs, and other popular home renovation projects. Our workers are highly trained in installing these features in your home, and we guarantee you nothing but the best quality service and products. Visit our website to view our gallery of past projects, real before and afters from local Upstate, South Carolina jobs, and read some of our reviews. While you're there, you can also request financing information and submit a request for an estimate appointment. Ready to get your privacy fence installed? We couldn't be more excited to work with you. Call us now at 864-603-1481 and our friendly local team will get you started.